Welcome to Occupational English Test, also known as OET. This training video is on the reading subtest. Let us look at the test format for the reading subtest. You are given 1 hour to complete this test or 60 minutes. You are also given a total of 42 questions. These questions are divided into 3 parts, namely Part A, Part B and Part C. Now let's come to Part C. This is a description of the questions and the type of strategies you need to use. We'll be following up this. So here you are given 2 extracts. You will find 8 questions per extract. These extracts are known as presentation extracts because the style of articles used here are taken from those published for a healthcare audience in a healthcare setting. They're not specifically aimed at any one healthcare profession, it is quite generic. The terminology can easily be understood by any healthcare professional. The combined time is 45 minutes for parts B and C. So you are suggested to spend 35 minutes to complete part C. Now let us look at some of the strategies to answer this type of question. You must read the instructions very carefully. Briefly look through the text or glimpse through the text to get an idea or understand the gist or summary of what is being discussed. Again, as it's mentioned here, you need to understand the general meaning and context. Look for cues and prompts in the question. Make sure you try to find relevant information. You need to identify main ideas in the text and the paragraphs. Different aspects of healthcare are mentioned here. So what you need to do here is understand the organization of the text, and by this I mean understand what comes in the first paragraph, second, third and the following paragraphs. What are the ideas mentioned in each of them? Make brief notes while practicing about the main idea and the sub-ideas. The kind of questions asked here are usually related to details or based on attitude and opinion. At times, there could be questions related to vocabulary or reference. You will definitely find at least one reference question in Part C. You are suggested to understand how sentences have been used. Break them down if you are confused and if there is too much information, as this type of text often uses complex sentences. Focus on the views and opinion of the writer. Make sure you know the format, understand the general meaning of each of the paragraphs. The information is usually in order. Make sure you answer all 8 questions for each text type. 2 texts are given on different topics. The questions might be directed to specific parts. Part C, Practice 1. So this is what Part C looks like. Your instruction is given here. It basically says in this part of the test there are 2 texts about different aspects of healthcare. For questions 7 to 22, choose the answer A, B, C or D, which you think fits best according to the context. Your main topic is given here. Following that, there are several paragraphs. So read, skim and scan, understand, follow the strategies discussed in the previous slide. The text is continued here. You must continue reading, making notes all the while. This is the third part of the same text. Continue reading. You can pause your video at this particular point. Here are the questions related to Part C. Part B ends at question 6 and the first set of questions in Part C begin from 7, continue till 14. So read the question, scan it thoroughly, check the main idea, look for these keywords and phrases, look at your options thoroughly. If there are any obvious options which are not related, you can eliminate them. Focus on the common words here. Go back, match and see if those words fit and which one fits best into the context given. Here are a few more questions related to Part C using the same strategies as before. you can continue. Once you're done with the practice, you can match your answers with the PDF of the answer key provided. If you want to learn more about reading or enhance your knowledge and vocabulary in grammar, then I suggest you can go through these resources. It will really enhance your language skills and help you to understand a lot of things that you are unfamiliar with. That is the end of this particular training video. All the best with your practice.